Hi students, welcome you all in this class. Today I want to discuss over the conversion of singular to plural. That means today in this class we will discuss how can we convert from singular to plural. Students, you know very well that we have completed sentence chapter. We have started tense, present simple tense, and in that tense we know about the subject, and we understood that we use verb according to the subject, and subject will be in only two conditions, either singular or plural. In this regard, it is very necessary to have right idea about the conversion of singular to plural. So at first I am going to write it, and you know that singular means singular stands for one and plural stands for more than one. When we talk about more than one person or anything, in such case we can say that we are talking about plural number, and singular stands for only one. If we will talk about Ram is going to market, here Ram is subject and Ram is singular number subject. If we will talk about Ram and Shyam are going to market, in such condition Ram and Shyam are the subject, but Ram and Shyam will be considered as plural number subject. So students, at first just look at the board. When any English word end with ch, sh, x, z, s and double s, generally we use es to make them plural. For example, I am giving you bench, bench, as you are seeing that the word ending with ch. So if you are going to make it plural, you have need to add es. That means benches, benches. Brush, brush. And if we are going to convert this word into plural form, you have need to add es also, brush. Like this, if the words ending with ch, sh, x, z, s and double s, you have need to put es to make it plural. And I have given the example box, box, boxes. That means if you are talking about a single box, you can say that there is a box. If there are two boxes, on that condition you have need to say there are two boxes, because you are talking about two, and two is considered as plural because two stands for more than one. Now the next condition is that, once again I am making you recall, if the words ending with ch, sh, x, z, s, double s, you will have to use es to make them plural. Students, second condition is, if the word end with y, if the word end with y. Students, just give your much concentration here, because this rule is very important. If the words end with y, there will be any vowel or any consonant just before y. Students, you are much aware about the vowel and consonants, that in English alphabet there are 5 vowels and rest words are considered as consonants. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. If the words ending with y and there is any vowel just before y, then we use s only. For example, boy. Then the plural form of boy will be boys. You know why? Because just look at the word. The last letter, the word ending with y, but there is a vowel just before y. That means just before y, so you should use only s to make it plural. But what happens here? I am taking another example. Baby, B-A-B-Y. You are seeing that the word baby also ending with y. But here you have to apply another rule. You have need to convert y into I. You know why? Because just before y there is a consonant. Here B is consonant, but in the word y, just before y, O is vowel. That means I want to say that if the word the plural of baby will be baby, B-A-B-I-E-S. Students, I know that you have a question that why in the first word boy we have added only S, but in the next word, in the second word baby, we have converted Y into I and then add ES. There is a basic reason, grammatical reason. If the word ending with Y and if there is any vowel just before Y, we have need to use S only. But if the words end with Y and there is any consonant just before Y, we have need to convert Y into I and then add ES. Further, next example, country, C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. In this word, you can see that just before, at first, you have to observe that what is the ending letter of the words. That means the last letter of the words. You are seeing that the last letter of the word is Y. Now you have need to identify that the previous letter of Y. If the words ending with Y, apart from this, you have need to understand the previous letter of Y. If the previous letter of Y is vowel, then you have to add only S. But if the previous letter of Y is any consonant, then you have need to convert Y into I and then add ES. Here, as per rule, the words end with Y and there is a letter R which is consonant just before Y. That means you have to replace this Y into I and then add ES. So the plural form of this word, that means country, will be country, C-O-U-N-T-R-I-E-S. Just like saying key, K-E-Y, key. You are seeing that the last letter of this word is Y, but there is a vowel E. You know, A, E, I, O, U, there are 5 vowels, and here you can easily see that the previous letter of Y is vowel, so there is no need to replace Y into I. You have need to put only S and you can easily convert these words from singular to plural. That means the plural form of key will be key. So students, I think you don't have any problem when the words end with Y. Now we will proceed in the next rule. Now the next is, if the words end with either F or FE. If the words end with either F or FE, in such case you have need to replace this F or FE into VES. For example, LEAF, leaf, and you have need to convert this word into plural. What happens? You have need to convert, that means you have need to replace this F into VES, and then we will get a new word, a word that will be the plural of leaf, and that will be leaves. That means you understood that we have need to replace the letter F into VES. That means there is a basic reason. If the words end with either F or FE, life, L-I-F-E, life, then the plural of this word will be lives. So right now I have made you aware in the very first rule, if the words ending with CH, SH, X, Z, double S, we have need to add ES to make them plural. In second, if the words ending with Y, then you have need to notice the previous letter of Y. If there is any vowel just before Y, you have need to add only S. But if there is any consonant just before Y, then you have need to replace Y into I and then add ES. And in the next, if there is any words ending with either F or FE, then just replace that F or FE into VES and you will get the new words, and that will be the plural of that certain word. But students, most of the words we can make plural by adding S only, like teacher. Like teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher, then the plural of this word will be teacher. That means most of the words that we use in our daily routine can be made plural by using only S. That means by adding S. Doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R. Then the plural of this word will be doctors. D-O-C-T-O-R-S. But the most important thing is that most of the words have their different plural form. There is no any rule that lies on that words. You have need to remember. Some words have another word as plural, like child and the C-H-I-L-D, child. The plural of this word child will be children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Tooth, T-O-O-T-S, teeth, T-O-O-T-S. Just like same, we have some more words that we can make plural by using another word. So these words you have need to remember. So students, through this class you have been made aware of conversion from singular to plural, and it is very important because whenever we write any type of sentence, on that time we have need to know about singular form of subject and plural form of subject. Because if we don't have right idea about the singular form of subject and plural form of subject, we will not able to put a certain verb. And you know very well, if we will not put certain forms of the verb according to the subject, on such condition our sentence may be wrong. So you have need to put much concentration on this topic, the conversion from singular to plural. It will help you in making the sentence. Now I will give you the homework. You have need to convert some words from singular to plural, and that word is at first the instruction, write P-L-U-R-L, plural form of these words, right? Plural form of these words. Story, why, T-O-R-C-H, torch, P-L-E-Y-T-R, player, life, man, child, now students, on your screen there are some words you have need to convert this singular form of words into plural. This is your homework. Thank you very much for your much concentration.